Hey guys, today we're going to do a loose curl hair tutorial. We're going to start with Pharmacy's dry shampoo. This is the best dry shampoo I've ever used. It leaves no white residue. It smells like a perfume amazingly, and it just does what it needs to be doing. So we're going to put that in and we're going to work that through our hair, and I will be back. So I have pulled the majority of my hair up, left the underneath out, and we are going to split this, and there's about 3 curls for each side. So it doesn't really take that long, even though my hair is long and thick. So we're going to take the first curl. We're going to go ahead and just curl this. I always like to leave the ends out just a little bit. This is a larger curling iron, maybe 1.5 inches or 2 inches. So that's going to give you the larger, more wavy curl than it is a tighter curl. So we're going to pull this out just like so. See how it's more loose, but yet it is still curled. And we're going to do that around the rest of this section. So I've brought down a little bit more hair. So I do it in 3 sections, and we do 3 on each side curls, and they all go away from the face. Now, if you want to, you're more than welcome to just switch that up, like alternate one away, one towards. Totally up to you, but this is my choice. Okay, now we are at the top, and we're going to curl it a little bit different. So you're just going to take this brush and you're going to brush it out looking like Cindy Lou Who. And you're going to bring this forward. You're going to start in the back because we're going to do a parted down the middle look, hopefully, and brush this out, and you're going to curl this one first, and then you're going to continue with the sides just the same way as you did each side here. You're just going to, once you get done with this, we're going to split it down the middle and then curl away from the face. And some people like less curl around like their bang area, so you can do that as well. So that's what we're going to do. Split this in half the best that we can. Okay, and then we're just going to curl those like the rest of our hair. All right, we are on the last curl, and this is the other side of the bang. So we're going to curl it less tight and hold it for at least a little bit less time. And now you're going to want to let these set, but for video purposes only, I'm going to go in, this one may need curl just a bit more. I am going to go in and brush them out, and I use what is a wig comb, but you want to use like a wide tooth comb to brush them out. We'll let that one cool, and we'll just brush back here. And like I said, these are looser curls, so they're not going to be as tight. And when you do brush them out, they will relax even more, but they should form right back together. And we can go ahead and brush that one out. Now to get some volume, you guys know that I always love to tease at the root and the crown. So tease that on up, spray it with your Pharmacy hairspray, and then you can smooth it out after you get it all done around the crown. Okay, we've got it fluffed up around the crown just a little bit. Now you're just going to go in and place the stuff where you want, the hair and the curls where you want it, the stuff. And then you're going to set it and forget it. So there you have a very loose beachy wave curl hair. Set it with your Pharmacy hairspray and you're good to go. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks, guys.